Have an idea but don't know where to start? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to turn a topic or script into a complete AI-generated video using the script-to-video workflow. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along with the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find the link in the description. Let's begin by creating a new video. Click New Project, then select Script to Video. Next, choose your visual style. You can select a predefined style, write your own custom style, or use stock footage by setting AI Image Standard and choosing Library. Before continuing, configure your project settings. This includes AI image quality, pacing, screen ratio, and preset. Once everything looks good, click Continue. Next, we'll create your script by organizing your ideas into a clear, engaging, and well-structured message. Now you'll be taken to the AI script page. Here, you can create your script in a few different ways. You can write your own script, paste an existing one, or use the AI assistant. If you use the AI assistant, just describe the type of script you want. When it gives you suggestions, you can accept to insert it, or decline to refine it further. You can also attach files or scan websites using the plus button if needed. Finally, let's bring your ideas to life by generating and reviewing your video. Before generating, you can customize a few more settings. This includes AI voiceover, avatar, captions, screen ratio, visual style, and post-production options. Once you're ready, click Generate Video. After generation, you'll be taken to the preview screen. From here, you can edit your video, restart the workflow, or share and export your project. Script to Video makes it easy to go from script to full video in just a few steps. Create your script, customize your settings, and let AI handle the rest. Sign up and try VideoGen today.